over here, what we've got are the guys getting a negative air pressure system set up for the house. And so what that's gonna do, we'll seal this window off and we'll have a fan here. And what this is gonna do is suck air through this fan, blow it out the window, and then it'll draw air in through the other windows or doors that are open, and basically make it so that the dust is always moving out of the house and just making it a little less dusty inside of the house. Even though the guys are wearing their respirators, if we can lower the amount of dust in here, it's just better for everybody, right? Eyes, ears, mouth, nose. So take this piece of plastic off to the window, have this fan going, and what should, in a perfect world, ultimately happen is this poly above the fan should start to billow in because it's trying to suck air from above it. But really it's gonna be pulling air in from the other windows that are open and other doors that are open. So it's called negative air, highly recommend it. Negative air is a really, really smart thing to do, especially if you're doing demolition on homes where you need to be a little bit more surgical and you're not doing the entire house. If you get a negative air system set up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna reduce how much dust propagates out into the rest of the house. So set up your negative air barrier and you're gonna enjoy your renovation a lot more. Pro tip.